Oh, man. Little chilly out this morning. Let's get the heat going. I said, let's get the heat going. Hello? 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 This truck is always breaking. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing a day? I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. As you see, my good old Duramax blower fan. It looks like my blower fan took a shit. It's been having intermittent issues for a while now, for a couple of years. And finally, I guess it just took a dump. And listen, I know you guys are like, oh my God, look at the rust, Andy. Look at the rust. Calm down. Everything's okay. It's just that part wasn't painted, so there's a little water in here. I drilled some holes. That way the water can come out if it gets in there. No big deal. No big deal. Move bumper still looking freaking fabulous. I cannot complain. Freaking awesome truck. And I got a new Bullet. Ooh, look at that 50 cal carbon fiber. Damn, that thing's sexy. So I woke up this morning and it was cold as shit outside. And let's put this right here for right now. It's cold as shit outside. And I turned my heater fan blower motor on and it didn't work. And I'm like, oh, that's great. That's just what I need right now. Put that out here. And basically, oh, there's money. I'm rich. Look at me. There's money. So basically, freaking shit's blowing all over the place. So basically, I had to order a blower motor for this freaking truck, and I knew I was gonna need one eventually, and here we are needing one, and it's located right here. Some people say that this solenoid thing goes out, but that is not the case with mine. Mine, yeah, just literally is fucking broken. So we need to get this bolt out here. There's a couple bolts under here that I need to get out. They're 7mm. To be able to pull that down, to be able to get that out of there and fix that. Wait till the end of the video because we have some bullshit talk to do against another YouTuber that you guys are gonna fucking love. It's gonna be a good time, a little challenging thing going on. So stick around for the end of the video, guys, and wait for that. But you'll enjoy that. So let's get some tools. Let's get this shit down. Let's replace the blower fan with a new blower fan. Hopefully that's the problem. Hopefully. All right, got a little 7mm here. Hopefully it's the right size. Oh, yeah, that's the right size. Oh, loosey-goosey. Get this one bolt out of here. I think somebody already had this down in the past, maybe, because this thing's been flimsy ever since I've had the truck. Come on. There we go. Let's get our little socket off here and get it up in there. There we go. Alrighty. Oh, someone already. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this thing here comes off. Put it in the back for right now. Out of my way. Harness here. Yeah, maybe somebody did have this already apart. I don't know. Take this off here. Oh, that's a little bolt. I think that's a 7/32. Let's go get one of those sockets now. Okay, got our 7/32 here. Let's go under here and disconnect this. Hopefully you guys can somewhat see what the hell I'm doing. Okay. And then this comes out of here like so. Looks like that's broken, which is not a big deal. Not concerned about that. Here you go. There's our fan motor up in there. We have to disconnect the plug, which is right here. There's a little stopper there that needs to come up. And then unplug that. And then the fan literally just twists off, so I don't think it's up there with bolts. It like twists off and down, and it comes all the way out. All right. Tab is twisted. It looks like the original motor. Hopefully this was the problem. Here you go, guys. Old motor, new updated motor. don't lose my bolts here. Yeah, I think this one just took a shit and is just dead on arrival basically. So we're gonna put the new one in. Very easy twist. It looks rusty, so it must have been in there for a while. Made in Canada. So yeah, alrighty. As you guys see, this is a pretty simple job. This isn't really hard at all. Put a new one up in here. Find it. Gotta twist it so it locks. We don't want to fall back out. That would suck. The thing is, you gotta use two hands. There's a seat in the way. So that definitely kind of, there we go. Definitely kind of makes it fun. Make sure this is all good. Looks like there's a little burn up there on that plug. I wonder if that was the issue. Yeah, probably need a new fan anyways. Alrighty. Before we put all this other junk back, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna test it. Make sure that was really the issue. Hopefully it was. If not, the next thing I can replace is the actual resistor. All right, guys. Huh. Yeah, it works. That's good. Oh, yep, there we go. All right, cool. That makes me super freaking happy. Let's get all this junk put back together again. Now I have heat and AC when I need it, which I'm very happy about, guys. All right, she's all back together and working great. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. All right, everybody out there in the YouTube world, I got a little gripe to pick on another YouTuber that thinks he's got something but doesn't. I know you guys are gonna enjoy this, but I wanted to get that fan, that blower motor done first in the truck, which is working great, by the way. Phenomenal, working great. So happy to have heat again. But I wanted to get that off my chest before I start talking about this certain YouTuber. But you probably know who that is, and it's good old Send It Steve. If you haven't checked out Send It Steve's channel, go down and check it out. Send It Steve. Send It Junkyard. Send It Crap Boxes. It's actually just Send It Steve. But he just got done finishing up a little build of, I think, a V6 blazer framed lifted tired Corvette. What a piece of junk. Well, it just so happens that we here at DFR also have a nice piece of junk, which we're going to be putting up to challenge to him and that stupid Corvette of his. Ugly piece of junk. But as you guys know, we have Zach's Aztek, his Pontiac Aztek. And we think we're going to be doing some cool stuff with that thing finally. It's been sitting. And I'm going to challenge good old Send It Steve to some fun stuff with that Pontiac Aztek of ours. And see if his dumb looking Corvette can keep up or not. It probably can't, to be honest, because come on, guys, we're talking about a Pontiac freaking Aztek. A Pontiac Aztek. These cars were made, they were designed to be go-getter off-road vehicles. Lifted Corvettes weren't. And it's front-wheel drive. Mano a mano, V6 to V6. And I think I'm gonna show him who's boss. I'm gonna show him that the Pontiac Aztek is no vehicle to mess with. So I challenge Send It Steve. I challenge him to a shitbox duel, a shitbox showdown. And I hope he accepts, because I'm calling him out. I hope he accepts. He probably won't, though. He probably won't. He's probably just gonna go on Instagram, talk crap about me, talk crap about the Pontiac Aztek, but it's not gonna affect me. It's not gonna affect me at all, because I know what we have. We have a Pontiac Aztek. That's what we got. And we're gonna be doing some cool stuff to it. we're going to be hooking up with good old Send It Steve as long as he accepts my challenge, which, like I said, I doubt he will. Guess he's just going to have to come out with a video stating that he accepts my challenge. If he's not afraid, which I'm sure he is, shaking in his little boots and shit. But we have some big plans for the Aztec, and we're going to have some fun with the Aztec as well. Maybe we can get a few others involved too. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But it should be a fun little series coming to you, hopefully, in the near future. If somebody doesn't cop out, which might happen. But look forward to that, guys. And go over to Send It Steve's channel and let him know he's officially been called out. Officially. Through YouTube drama. Been called out with his ship boxes compared to my ship boxes. And I know one thing. He has no chance in the world against my beautiful GMC 3500 compared to his F450. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you think. F450 versus 3500 built Duramax. I mean, his stuff's kind of built too. And it's twin turbo. I'm only a single turbo, but a big turbo. Comment below. Let me know what you think about that. Maybe that'll be the next challenge that comes to you guys on our beautiful YouTube channels. But let us know. Let us know. Other than that, guys, we're going to end this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a little something. Hope you get involved with the drama. It's going to be fun. But other than that, guys, if you enjoyed it, give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And also that subscribe button. It's that red square thing. Whether you hit it or not, YouTube's never going to notify you about my videos anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But you can just give it a shot. Give it a try. Well, other than that, guys, hope you all have a great evening, morning, afternoon, day, night, whatever. And deuces.